Morning class. Today we will learn noun phrase. See, noun phrase. Okay, let me tell you first. Who can say, raise your hands, what is a noun phrase? We are going to analyze noun phrase. Let me tell you first what is a phrase. Phrase means it is a word or a group of words which makes a sense but not a complete sense is called a phrase. Students, today once again we will learn noun phrase. Noun phrase means the phrase which does the work of a noun is called a noun phrase. Children play games. So this is a sentence. Who can say who is the noun phrase? See, before going to analyze noun phrase, let me tell you each and every sentence has two parts. Are you clear? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, good. So a sentence has two parts. The first part is subject part and the second part is predicate part. As you know, subject part begins with what? Subject. A simple rule will keep in your mind. Predicate part begins with verb. Whatever may be the verb, it may be auxiliary or modal auxiliary or main verb. That means play games. Okay, play game is predicate part. Children play games. Children is the subject part and play games is the predicate part. Now, see, children, subject part must be a noun phrase. Each and every subject part must be a noun phrase. That's why children is a noun phrase. Noun phrase. Children is a noun phrase. In some certain cases, noun phrase must be seen in predicate part. Now, there is another example. The boy is playing. Let me tell you what is the sentence and who are the noun phrase. Who can say, raise your hands? Okay. Omyo, now you stand up and say, good. The boy. The boy refers noun phrase. Good. Sit down. Noun phrase must contain noun plus its describing. A noun phrase must contain a noun and its describing. See another example. Rakhi sings well. Okay. So in that sentence, who is the noun phrase? Who can say, raise your hands? Yes, children. Good. Urmila. Yes. Rakhi. Very good, girl. Sit down. There is another example. The small cute puppy. Write down the small cute puppy. Now raise your hands. Who can say what is the noun phrase? Okay. Okay. Rakesh, now you have to tell what is the noun phrase. Okay. Puppy. Good. See, in this sentence, the refers to determiner. D refers to determiners. Small and cute refers to adjective. Small and cute refers to adjective. And puppy is the noun. So puppy is the noun. Now we have to analyze that. In a noun phrase we found determiner plus adjective plus noun. Now we have clear idea. Yes or no, class? Very good. Generally the noun which comes at the end of a noun phrase is called head noun. Here puppy is the head noun. The noun which comes at the end of the noun phrase is called head noun. Dear class, we will learn noun phrase. The word which does the work of a noun in a phrase is called noun phrase. Clear? So check yourself. There are so many sentences. Let me tell you first. The first one is the little boy is singing. The second one is a big elephant is walking. The third one is my new bag is red. And the fourth one is the tall boy plays football. And the fifth one is my mom cooks daily. First, the little boy is walking. Who can say, raise your hands? But who is the noun phrase. Yes, Akansha. Okay, the little boy. Very good. Sit down. Now, Rakhi, stand up and say in second sentence, what is the noun phrase? Sentence is a big elephant is walking. Good. A big elephant. Now you sit down. Rahul, now you have to say the third one. My new bag is red. What is the noun phrase? Okay, Rahul, good boy. My new bag. Now you have to sit down. Please now stand up and say the fourth one. The tall boy plays football. Okay, the tall boy. Good. Sit down. Okay, Sima, you now stand up and say, my mom cooks daily. Now you have to underline which one is the noun phrase. Okay, my mom. Good. So class, we will deal noun phrase. Are you clear? Next class, we will deal with head noun. Okay. So we will wind up the class here. Goodbye.